Good morning, everybody. Yes, it's early. I would have started recording earlier, but it was dark. So I'm on my way to the junkyard, for the junkyard adventures, just to pick up a whole bunch of randoms, just small things. I am looking for things in particular, but it's a whole bunch of small things I need. So we're gonna go there and see what we can find, and maybe even pick up some extra parts, maybe to either give away or I know some people need some things, so we're gonna go there and try to find all those parts and maybe pick up some extra parts. If I pick up anything extra, I will post it in the description down below. If anybody needs them or wants them, hey, just let me know. Until then, I will see you guys at the junkyard. Yeah. All right, so we made it here about 2 minutes early, so I have to sit and wait until they actually open. They never open on time. It'd be more like 8, 5 or 8, 8:10 in the morning, and they're supposed to open at 8 o'clock, but they never open on time. So I usually try to get here at 8, so most likely I'm gonna have to wait, which is fine. I don't mind whatsoever, because after that hour drive is, I can relax a little bit. But anyway, let's get in there. And I think they opening the door right now. All right, so we made it in, and I'm looking for 20. It said 21. I don't think it might be on this, because this is 22 here. I didn't think it was this far up. I've never seen them this far up. They always way in the back, but this one I think it just got dropped off like 5 days ago. Alrighty, here's the first one. Nice blue. Oh, and it's got a nice back bumper. I might take that too. The center part. Oh, no, I don't. Never mind. No nice back bumper. Alright, let's see. She's been kind of ripped apart here. And I was looking for these here too, and it's gone. Well, that one's there. Let's see if that one is broken. And another thing I'm looking for is, dang, I didn't bring a light. Oh, I got my phone. Hold on, I'll be right back. All right, I've got to find the other one. I found one. They're not actually where they oh, there it is. They're not actually where they're supposed to be at. Like, one of them said row 21. There's no row 21. Well, it is, but it wasn't. It was all like, it wasn't no Hondas. Okay, here's the other one. Jeez. She took a bad hit right there. Nice headlight. Side marker light looks good. Oh, it's got Honda running boards. Dang, they all been up too. Man, that would have been a score if they was in good condition. Dang, that one's even worse. Well, let's see, I need that right there. So, let's look at it some more. Just place this right here. Take a look at anything else in here. That's broken as usual, but I want it. That right there. That one looks okay. Did they cut the key and took it? Yeah, they took the key. Let me see if that module's in here. Module is in here. I'm gonna take that. And this one was ransacked. Trying to think what else I need. All right, let's get those parts out real quick. I mean, this was it. Otherwise, it was decent. Nothing in there we can use. No lights. Oh, is it all-wheel drive? Yes. So all-wheel drive, the rear end is in there. I already have a couple of them already. If the engine was out, I'll probably check the transfer case, but I don't want to deal with any of that. Still have a transmission. And I'm not dressed for the occasion. All right, let's come in and get what we was getting. All right, so we got everything from that orange one we needed. Just a couple little parts. And the, what was that? The little triangle thing that goes by the door. I think every element I've seen is broken. It's broke off. All right, so I'm looking for, oh my God, look at this one. SC destroyed. Please let it be the center console in there. Please let it be the center console. Nope, it's gone. Gosh darn it. Man, that would have been nice. Dang it. And they took their rear end. The steering wheel is there, but I'm pretty sure it's probably done for. Ooh, I feel like nastiness on it. That was nasty. I had no hand sanitizer either. That felt really nasty. I got gloves. I don't know why I won't put them on. No, I don't think the console is in here. I'm pretty sure it's gone. I kind of want to move this stuff, but let me see if the bracketry is still here. See if they took everything. And put on gloves real quick. All right, I got my gloves on. Let me see if I can hold this phone and move all this stuff out the way. Here. Ooh, that was heavy. Hold on, let me try to bring you guys back some. Dang, that's the side skirt of it. Fender. Come on. Get on back there. Get on back. Oh, get on back there. Get. They left that part. No, it's, well, yeah, they kind of left it. This part right here. Now they all the same. This part here is the same on all the models, as far as I've seen. This is a part they should have took, because they're gonna need that. I don't know what that is. I've never seen that. It's kind of probably, oh, probably ABS, because that's part of it too. But let's definitely take that. I probably have to take all of it off. All right, let's remove it real quick. Let's get some tools. Try to do it with one hand. Need to get that out of the way so I can get to that. take that bolt, and there's another one over here. And that. Underneath that. I'm just gonna gather bolts. I like to have a lot of OEM bolts because I'm always needing them. Okay, let's see if the module, no, they got the module out of here. They got that. Okay, that's fine. Nothing else we could use. Cluster looks okay. Oh, there's a vent. I was thinking about getting a bunch of the little, you know, actually I kind of like these. I like the way they little notches on them, but the other one is gone. So, oh no, it's right here. Here's the other one. This one goes on the other side. Huh. I'll probably take them. All right, so I've been just walking around aimlessly, and I happen to think about it. I think row 21, yeah, they said they had to move some stuff around, so they had to move it. So I think it's over here with the American cars. They said if it's still there. He wasn't actually sure. Let's see, it's 18, 19. Yeah, no, it's not here. Because let me show you row 19. It should have been back here, but it's nothing back here. And like I said, I was walking around aimlessly. I was thinking about, so when they was talking about those modules, they was in a Civic too, but I haven't seen, not yet, because I'm still wandering around, like a 2003 to 2011 Civic. So that's what I'm looking for right now. As soon as I find one, I will pick back up with you guys. All right, so got done. Back in the car, it got warm really fast. I think it's like 70 something. It's not even 9:30 yet. So anyway, so let me tell you guys what we got. So I picked up a Honda Pilot steering wheel. It was $35.99. I picked up an antenna for my brother-in-law. It was $7.99. Then the bracket I was showing you guys for the center console. I'm not sure if I think I sent him already that one, but I'm not sure. But anyway, it was only $6.99. What the heck? They charged me. Oh, because he didn't know, because I had those little brackets for the modules. He didn't know what they were, so he just did a food bank donation of $2. And then those modules, I got three of the modules. These right here. He didn't know what those were either, and he did another food bank donation for $1 per module. And what else I got? Oh, the mirror. Did I say the mirror? Oh, he didn't charge me for it. Look, mirror. He didn't even charge me for it. And that's the steering wheel. Those are the modules there. Yeah, he didn't charge me for it. Huh. I guess. Alright, well, oh well. I'm gonna make my way back home, take that hour drive home, and I'll pick back up with you guys once I make it home. Alright, so made it back home. Let me show you guys everything I got real quick. So I got this mirror they didn't charge me for. The antenna, let's see here. The antenna was $7. The steering wheel from a Pilot, $35.99. Bumper bracket. It's actually not a bumper bracket. It's that bracket there for the e-brake for the SC. Let's see, $6.99. And then food bank donations. He charged me $2 and $1. It's for all this miscellaneous stuff, like the rings. I don't know where I even got those. The modules, the module brackets. Couple of those knobs that go on the back, you know where you unlock it. A couple of those knobs, little bump stops. Those plugs are for Subaru. That's for another project, for the fog lights. But not too bad for 60 bucks. So 35, so that's almost 40. And the other environmental fee of $5, taxes, all that good stuff at Pick and Pull. So I think that steering wheel by itself is $60 in most places, and it's not damaged, super clean. Well, I did clean it. That's why it's super clean. No rips. It's solid. So, and it's like it's not black, but it's like, 'cause see, that's black. It's like a gray. And my car is gray, so, but it's a lighter gray than that. Let me show you guys here real quick. Well, door locked. And I don't have a key. What did I do with the key? Oh, here it is. Okay. Nope, wrong car. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Here we go. Here we go. All right. See, it's a lighter gray. And I might end up putting this steering wheel, because it just got this, but it feels good. I think I'm gonna put in an orange element. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm not sure what I'm gonna replace this. I don't need the volume controls like on this Pilot. I don't really care for them. So on here, probably just take this all off and put mine on here, and then put these back, because I mean, at least I got the plug, but I'm not gonna use those. Well, that's for another video. So that's it for the junkyard. It was just little things that we needed. Let me get out the sun, and I think that'll be it. So I painted the hood. I still got to cut and buff it, but it's got to dry first. It's got to take a few days for it to dry. And until then, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.